Hello everyone, I'm Dumidu and today I'm going to explain to you about the API gateway, notification service and the admin functionalities of our microservice related food ordering and delivery system. So as you can see, this is the entire architecture diagram of our application. So there's a client, gateway and the microservices and also infrastructure. So what happening here is when a client sends a request, it will go to the API gateway. So from the API gateway, it will check what what this request should go, to what microservice this request should go, and through the API gateway, it will go to the relevant microservice. And from the microservice, it will the infrastructure, that means the database will be accessed. Okay. So in the API gateway especially, so let's get an example. As a let's say a customer is trying to log into our system. Okay. So when the clients mean a customer is enters the email and the password to our system and enters the login. This login request will first come to the API gateway. So in here, the request security will be checked. And after, if there aren't any vulnerabilities, it will check what microservice this request should go. Okay. So in our application, all the users related functionalities are managed by the user service. So the login request will go to the user service, and with the help of the infrastructure, that means the database, the user's login will be authenticated. So if it is success, the user will get the authorization to the relevant user's dashboard. So that's what happening in the API gateway. So all the client side requests, meaning all the front end requests, the application's front end requests will go to the API gateway, and through that it will go to the relevant microservice. So that's what happening in the API gateway. So the notification service, this is the notification service. I will explain the notification service through the admin. Okay. So this is an example admin. And as you can see in the admin panel, there are three main sections: the users, restaurant, and deliveries. So our application is used by three main users: the customers and the restaurants, and also the delivery personnel. So when a delivery personnel and a restaurant is registered to our system, the system will not straight away give access to them. So, for if let's say a delivery person is fills an registration form and registered to the system. Okay, this registration will straight away come to the admin panel. So, as an example, let's say a a delivery person called Kasundi is trying to log into our application. So she sends a request. So in here, the admin will see this request, and he can delete or activate this request. So meaning, if this request was activated, the delivery person, meaning the Kasundi, will be able to log into our system and do the delivery functionalities and related activities. So, okay, now let's go to the notification system. So when the admin is, let's say now it's active state, then let's say if there's some problem and admin is block this delivery personnel. So the status will turn into inactive state, and when this instance the admin at this clicks this block button, her a notification will be generated. Actually, two notifications will be generated. The first one is a email notification, and the second one is a SMS notification. So let's go to the architecture diagram. So when this happens in the client side. So the admin click the block button. So it will go to the API gateway. So in here, the security will be checked, and it will check where this request should go. So the notification related requests are going to the notification service. Okay. In this notification service, all the notification related activities inside this entire application is managed by this notification service. So mainly the email notifications, SMS notifications, and the in-app notification are managed by here. Okay. For the email notification, we use a API from the SendGrid. And for the Twilio, and from the Twilio, we use a API for the SMS notification. For the in-app notification, we use Socket.io. Okay, now the admin click the block button, and the request came, and in the notification service, all the notification related controllers and functionalities are entered here. So an email and SMS will be sent to the user through using the SMS and email APIs, and also the notification functionalities. So that's what happening in the notification service, and the admin panel also, as I previously mentioned, the user related account activation, blocking, and all those related things are managed by the admin. So those are the things that basically happens in our application. So I think you got an good understanding about these three main sections, and thank you.